Hello. If you like to save money, DIY on a budget, do some fall decor, then you've come to the right place. Today I'm going to cut some pumpkins out, some fall decor, and cut it out on my scroll saw for next to nothing. Using up some scrap pieces of tongue and groove, but you could also make it out of pallets, so it costs you next to nothing. Let's go. Hey, I'm Sandy McKenzie at the LumberMill DIY, and in today's video you're going to see me make some fall decor. I'm going to make some fall pumpkins, and they're not going to cost me anything because I'm using up the scraps I already have. I'm participating in Domestic Diva's fall challenge. It's Pinterest inspired fall challenge. It's going to be a fun one. If you haven't checked out Domestic Diva yet, she's almost at 10,000 subscribers. She has a great channel. You need to go give her love and support and subscribe to her, like right now. She's so good. She has great DIYs. She has great how-to videos, fall decor. She has 3 channels. She has recipe channel, a home channel, and a DIY channel. And I think she's local. I think she's from Canada. Well, I know she's Canadian, and I'm pretty sure she lives in Ontario. I'm wondering if she lives within 2 hours of me. I'm gonna check it out. So go give her some love. And the playlist. There's a great playlist. It's Pinterest inspired. You're gonna really enjoy it. You're gonna get lots of great ideas. And YouTube has changed its rules. You can't just subscribe and hit like. You have to watch a couple of minutes, or your subscription falls right off and doesn't count. So I hope you're supporting all of the DIYers, all of the crafters out there, people that do art, drawing, and give them some support and love. I've talked about this before. Safety first. You need your PPE. You need your personal protective equipment. You need your mask. You need your muffs. You need your safety glasses. You need situational awareness. Don't be tripping on the plug. Don't be paying attention to the camera or the dog or any distractions. Focus on the blade. Have your hands on either side of the blade. Never put them in the path of the blade. Always have them on either side. Sometimes it's an optical illusion. You think I'm headed towards the blade, but I'm not. It's going to get loud here, so I keep this running on high. Done is better than perfect. I'm not going to overthink it. I don't care if I go out of the lines. It doesn't matter. No one's going to know. And then I run on high. So this is the on and off switch. This is the feet. It puts pressure on the board so you don't have any bounce or skip on your board. This hose here blows air and blows the dust off as you cut it. Now, this blade is old. It's going to break one of these days. It's going to be loud and noisy, but my fingers are on either side of the board, and the only thing that's going to scare me is the noise. I'm not going to cut myself. You don't want loose clothing on any machinery, anytime. You don't want your clothing to get trapped or caught in a machinery and pull you in. And you don't want to be fiddling with it or distracted by loose clothing, like scarves, hats, mitts. Winter's coming. I drew a pumpkin on this tongue and groove board. It's easier to cut this in sections. I just have to cut this and this on this piece of board. So it's easier to do them one at a time, take it apart, and just cut them and then put it together. Also, if you're running a long board, you just have to watch. Sometimes you have to do a cut that drops off because it'll hit the back of this and then you won't be able to cut it. It's too long. So sometimes you have to cut across and do a cross cut or back the blade off so you can cut it. Okay, let's go. YouTube loves when you smash my subscribe button, ring my bell, share, and chat. Let's engage. You, me, down below. Let's do this. Love you, bye.